Hello guys, this is Mr. Mathz, and in this video I'm going to cover how to convert degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. We have two examples that we're going to go through together in order to get the answers of the examples. So, the first example is 14 degrees Celsius, and the second example is 29 degrees Celsius. Now, the formula that we're going to use is at the top of the screen, right here, Celsius to Fahrenheit, equals Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. And I also have an estimate formula right here. So we can immediately get the estimate of the Fahrenheit we're going to calculate. This is Celsius times 2 plus 30. So, okay. Okay, so let's jump straight into the first example. 14 degrees Celsius. So, to do this, we're going to use both of the formulas. First, we're going to use the correct formula, and second, we're going to use the estimate formula. So, the first formula is Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. This isn't the C. This is the border of the formula. Yes. Oh, I did it very wrong. Wait. So, like this, plus 32. Okay, so this is our formula we're going to use. And now we're going to fill in the formula. So, our Celsius in degrees in Celsius is 14 times 1.8. This is 25.2. Now we have to add 32 to our answer. Plus 32 equals 57.2 degrees in Fahrenheit. So this will be our final answer of the first example. And now I'm going to use the estimate formula. So again, we do 14 times 2 this time, and we add 30 to the answer. This will be 58 degrees in Fahrenheit. As you can see, the estimate formula is almost the same as the first formula, so we can tell that this is the estimate formula. We're going to use the two formulas again. So this time we're not going to write the formula because we can see it here. So we just immediately fill in the formula. 29, which is our degrees in Celsius, times 1.8. This will equal 52.2. Now we have to add, oh my bad guys, we have to add 32 to it. This will give us 84.2. So this is the answer of the first formula we use. And now I'm going to use the estimate formula. So let's move this a bit because I don't have any space left. Like this. Let's just move it over here. So now we're going to use the estimate formula. This is our degrees in Celsius, 29 times 2 plus 30. This will give us 88 degrees in Fahrenheit. So this is our estimate answer. So as you can see, it is very close to each other. So you can use this one, but I would use this one if you like get it on a test or something. So this is the video. I hope you guys understand how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit right now. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. You can always ask something in the comments and subscribe to the channel, of course. I will see you guys in the next video.